What do you think, your frickin' itchy boots? Not sure what I think I am. Oh yeah, Adventure Bull. Let's ride. Okay, here we are, post-hurricane. We're on the fringes of the storm, so let's see if there's any damages or how much flooding there may or may not be out here. A couple of old dead trees. That was going to happen no matter what. Well, at our house we didn't get too much. Got a couple of outer bands. Not a lot of wind. Not a lot of rain. Not bad at all. Yeah, we'll hit this one later. Doesn't look as wet as I thought it would be. The entrance to that place is usually flooded. A lot of pine needles in the road. The smell of pine in the air. It's kind of refreshing. I like it. Doesn't look like much damage out here yet. I'm sure it's a little different story on the west coast, the Gulf side of Florida, where the hurricane hit. But over here we're looking pretty good so far. Now let's check out the road conditions. Right here they're pretty good. You can see we're digging in. It's a wet sand. Of course it's Florida, so we're pretty much always going to be in sand. Pretty peaceful out today. Pretty humid out, but currently it's only 83 degrees according to the bike. And it's still pretty soft. Looking for deer. I don't see any deer yet. It's early enough we might be able to see some deer. Well, as you all know, we got the Africa Twin today and a hitchhiker. Oh well, found a place out of the wind. The 2022 Honda Africa Twin L DCT version. Let's ride. Yeah, we just hit 8,300 miles. Now, there's a couple oil changes, a set of tires. Other than that, this Honda Africa Twin has been a beast. No problems, no worries. Wouldn't be afraid to hop on it and go anywhere in the country or the world. Still been having a lot of fun though. A little mud back there. I personally prefer these two tracks. The ground's a little harder usually. And when there's vegetation growing in there, typically not quite as sandy. Looks like we have a little obstacle in the road up here. I don't like when they're moving towards me. Takes a lot of the fun out of the game. I've been trying to teach myself to trust the bike. Just let it slide around underneath me. It knows where to go. And it's a hard learning curve. It's kind of a scary feeling sometimes. But trust the bike. It wants to go straight. Well, at least we agree. I want to go straight too. Well, that very well could have been flooded. They put some giant baby head rocks down there. Wasn't too bad. A little rough. Well, so far out here we haven't really seen much. Some birds, a cow that gave me a funny look, but let's keep exploring. We should run into something. Maybe I should rephrase that. Hope not to run into anything. We should come across something. Quite a bit of water over here. For those of you wondering why I'm going around those puddles, I have to clean the bike. And they're a little slippery. Okay, not gonna lie, that was kind of rough. Remember when I said I liked the vegetation? Apparently vegetation means water. Oh crap, more rocks. Not nearly as bad. Okay, that one was deep. Okay, now the vegetation's just hiding the muck. Okay, that was a deep one too. Trust, the bike wants to go straight. Those are big ass rocks. I see why they call them baby heads. Okay, I know we're not talking a whole lot. I'm trying to concentrate a little bit. It's really muddy on the sides. I don't know how deep some of these holes are. I've already ran across a couple deep ones. And the boots that I thought were waterproof, guess what? You're right, they are not. Well, for those of you keeping track, I have 2 wet feet, but the Africa Twin is in off-road or gravel mode. Traction control is off, and we're in Sport 1. Okay, that was deep. I don't know what the heck this area is. Let's check it out. It's gated off, so whatever it is, we're not going far. And we might not go far anyway because it's pretty wet. I guess we should be looking for snakes. A lot of water up there. That's a little bit of a bummer. Gonna have to clean her. Huh. That was pretty deep. Surprised me. Okay, very deep. What do you think? Your frickin' itchy boots? Not sure what I think I am. Oh yeah, Adventure Bull. Let's ride. Okay, let's hit some bumps. And let's see where we're gonna go. Trust the bike, it wants to go straight. Sure does. And why was it just sideways? Yeah, maybe we washed off some of that mud. Might have to stop and empty the boots pretty soon. And did. Got some of the mud off the front. Ooh, that was very slippery. That was fun. We might be the Adventure Bull, but they probably got twice as much weight as we do. And they have horns. Now I have to wash the bike. But it was a pretty cool ride.